Do you know people are making $10 a day just by posting these type of images? And guess what? Facebook is paying to all the creators who are posting just the static images, and you can create these images with the help of AI that I'm going to tell you that how you can do it. But the first question is why Facebook is paying so much amount of money to all the creators who are posting only images, not reels, only images. The reason is Facebook wants creators to post content so that like their audience engages on this platform, and that is why Facebook has started monetizing all the images so that creators can earn money and they get motivation. But how you can apply for this creator program? For that, what you have to do, you have to go to your mobile and then you have to open your Facebook. So I'm quickly going to show you the exact steps that you need to perform, because these steps you can only perform on mobile and not on desktop, because they Facebook does not provide this type of option on desktop right now. So you go to your Facebook and then enable any page, come to any page and then click on the professional dashboard section. After that, you scroll down and then you see this monetize option, monetization. You need to click on it, and then you see these are the options that Facebook provides. These stars options and the bonuses options will help you earn money by posting content on Facebook pages. So all you have to do is you just have to apply for this program. I'm interested. This program is right now available only on the invitation basis. That means that once you apply and you get approval for it, then you can start earn money. But before applying to this program, at least post 50 to 100 posts on the regular basis, or maybe 5 posts every day, so that like Facebook gets to know that you're an active person, you're an active creator, and you are not here just to monetize, but you are here to provide extra value. But now the question is how you can create content, how you can create static images with the help of AI. For that, all you need is you need just ChatGPT and you need Canva, right? So how we'll do that? First, what we will gonna do, you have to like examine the scenario. You have to tell the scenario to ChatGPT. Even ChatGPT can create images for you, but the first thing is that you have to imagine the scenario on which you want to create an AI image. For example, like in this case, I have asked ChatGPT create a command to generate image where girl is sitting on the road and she looks hungry. She doesn't have money to buy food and looks like crying because the mango is lying in front of her but can't eat as it's half eaten and not in a good condition. On the basis of this prompt, ChatGPT has generated me this image, which I can obviously download for free, and then I can upload on my page. So this is the very simple process that you can always do. But what I've asked ChatGPT, the further thing is that only give me the command so that I can use other AI tools to create this type of image. So now ChatGPT has given me this command. After that, you need to copy down this command and then you can go to Bing. Bing has a free AI tool just like your ChatGPT and Meta AI. Then you go to Bing. Bing is my favorite. Then what you need to do, you just need to ask Bing that can you create image on the command that we just copied from ChatGPT, and on the basis of this, Bing has given me this image. Look at the image created by Bing and look at the image created by ChatGPT. Looks almost similar, right? Now the same thing you need to do on Meta AI. So you just type Meta AI and then you open this website and then you copy the exact prompt and ask create image, and then you just copy the prompt that you got from ChatGPT. On the basis of your prompt, Meta AI will generate 4 images, and guess what? You can choose any 4 images out of the generated ones. So now we see. Now Meta AI has more clarity in the images. So if you look at this, the ChatGPT image, this looks like an AI image. If you look at the Bing image, again this looks like an AI. But if you look at the image created by Meta AI, this looks like something real, but not exactly real, because if you look at this image, this is seems like ChatGPT. If you look at this image, this doesn't seems like ChatGPT, but the mango that is there seems like ChatGPT because the color is portraying a very different image, right? But at least this is a very cool feature. Once you have got your image, all you have to do is you just have to go to your Facebook and you just need to upload images. So if you just scroll down, if I just show you more images over here, see, easy drawing step by step DIY, and this has got 36k likes with 266 comments. The people are just posting images on Facebook pages and earning money every other day. So what you have to do, you just have to upload images. One big mistake that you should not do while doing or participating in this program is just choose one single niche. Do not scatter yourself into different area. Just choose one single niche. For example, like if you have chosen a category where the girl is there and she is poor, right, then just stick yourself to that niche only. Do not think about posting some army content or some food related content. Just stick to one single niche and narrow down yourself, so that like you are portraying that you are only posting content in this singular domain, and that is where Facebook algo will identify you and will prioritize you in giving more direction to your content. So this is how you can make tens amount of dollars every single day. If you have any questions, comment down under this video and I will be happy to help you out.